National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marion County until 7:15 p.m. At 6:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Richwood, or 13 miles southwest of Marion, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Marion, Prospect, LaRue, Morrill, Waldo, Caledonia, New Bloomington, Green Camp, and State Route 229 at U.S. Route 23. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.